La 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 la. Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another good video. It is a new one. Look, I'm in my new world, yeah. I didn't do this because I was making a new world. Oh yeah. I did this one while I was telling everyone I was doing a new world. But that doesn't count. Never mind. Anyway, I made a new world because you may know that probably shouldn't have done that. That my new world, it sort of broke because it was in a different, thingamajiggy. So yeah. So I'm gonna give you a tour. So this is my bed, y'all. That's a cool bed, right? This is a chest next to it with what a random thing. My clock there, look, it's daytime, and then when it goes there, it's nighttime. Oh, so when that thing goes there, it's nighttime, or when it turns to look like night, never mind. This is where I keep all my weapons, all my seagrass. Do you know why I have seagrass? I won't tell you. I'll tell you in a minute. This is where I put all my blocks. This is where I put all my tools. This is where I put all my chickens and meats. This is where I put all my vegetables and breads. So I've got loads of bait. So I've got melons, apples, dried kelps, carrots, baked potatoes, cookies, a cake, and some bread. And then in here is Count Stan in his own little thing. And then he's got seagrass, which they eat, so if he does lay eggs, if he's like a Countess Stan, I'll try to rename him and I will give the little bears this seagrass. So I can get Scoot to make a cool helmet, which, here's my leather, all my stuff. Anyway, let's grab some food. And then let's grab a weapon. Let's go stone. And then I'm not gonna go with my bow. So I'll show you more stuff. So in here, hang on. Wrong door. Hang on, no. This is the one. Anti-Hail Pig! And this is a new house. Look, it's got all cool hair. And guess who this is? Guess. It's Mandy, who has a bigger house now. So here's her house. She's got like fishes in here to eat. She's got some space. So, let's do our first adventure. No. And there are some handy stairs, just like. I will build my Froakie statue, like, not in a future video. Go shield. No one likes you. I will build my Froakie statue off camera. 'Cause no one likes Froakie. Actually, I do. But yeah. Yeah, we'll do that off camera. This is the area. So we're going to try and get a dog. Hopefully, there will be more successfulness. I can already see puppies. Get the puppies. Looking for a dog, but then you find puppies. It's the best thing in the world. But there are some wolves as well. Good. Ooh, pumpkins. What are you looking at? Oi. Let's see what this does. Pumpkin. Wait, where's the oh yeah. They did this new thing where you can get carved pumpkins, normal pumpkins, and then and then jack-o'-lanterns, which already were there. So how do you carve these? Like, Hmm. 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 Let's see if we... And there's a nice cave near as well, so we can finally go mining and stuff. So let's go see... Let's go see the cave. I might need a stronger sword for the cave. I'll put this in... So weird. I'm gonna take a different kind of food as well because this kelp isn't really doing it. Let's take some potatoes, y'all. Ooh, la casa potatoes. Ooh, yum 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 potatoes. Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Iron. Looking at a cave. Seeing if there are any skelebobs. Seeing if I can... Oh, I think there's a cavey thing. You know, little cabin. Oh, wow. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Never again. This cave is too dangerous. I'm gonna block it off. I'm gonna just get some torches. Nothing to see here. Okay. I'm gonna go get my diamond pick. See if there's any way I can get down there. Or dig around it. Or something. I might just get an iron pick. Oh yeah, it's this way, isn't it? Okay. Let's go shift. No. Okay, this is horrible, this is horrible. No, 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 don't explode. Great. Great. Let's just go to bed. Oh wait, we're in the wrong house. Sorry. Oh no, 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 no. My stuff. Ah! I'm so bad at not falling down. Well, I better start making stairs. And fall down again. Just great. Okay. Making a wall to protect myself from evil monsters. We'll get this done in a jiffy, guys. Do not worry about me. I'm just all alone. Well, I wanted to see what was in it, didn't I? Oh my goodness, how am I gonna do this? Right. Yes! I made some stairs. So then I made no! At least I made some stairs. That's good. Yes. Yes. Yes, I can now explore the case. You excited, Haley? Well, I'm not excited that your head's just randomly there. It's a bit worrying. Okay, let's go mining. Let's go mining. It's so joyful to do. Coal, yes. Coal. Oh. Coal, oh. Okay, I think that's all the coal. Oh man, there's still a bit more coal. I hear a zombie. You guys can't, but... Yep, there's a zombie. Nice zombie. Ow! Oi! Haha! Haha! Cool shields. We'll come back and gonna war. Okay, guys. Let's... Oh, yes, coal. I mean iron. No. Uh, hmm. Hey, what's he watching? Hey, what's he watching? Hey, what's he watching? Time to get some stuff. What's he watching? Hey? I don't know why I just said that. I thought I saw something and I was like, hey, what's he watching?